Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in very much. Welcome. My name is Pilile. Thank you so much, you guys. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video as well as watching the ads if they pop up. So now I want to talk about this video of Wabom Samsele that I think I've uploaded. Sorry, maybe that's on my other channel. Okay, on this particular video, Ubaba Samsele is talking about how him being sick made him realize ukuthi those who are close to him are what kind of people. It made him realize what's going to happen when he's no longer here on this earth. You guys, he's speaking about his family, you guys, his wives. We know Ubaba Samsele is a polygamist with 5 wives. Uthi yena ukugula kwewangenza ngabona okuningi. He realized a lot when he was sick. Remember, he was hospitalized. He was in ICU. Kwathiwa ke stroke. If you know, you know, right? So he opens up about the profound lesson he learned when he was sick. Okay. Babu Samsele features his wife. So when it comes to their show, you know, his wife and his children. Okay. So he thanked God for both his illness and the recovery. That is the story of Babu Samsele. When it comes to that particular video, he suffered a severe stroke that landed him in the ICU in 2024, leaving Mzansi worried about him and the cause of his illness. Remember, Mamkhulu methi ubabakhe uguliswa ngamakhosikazi akhe. What was Maceri trying to say, methi ubaba uMsamsele uguliswa yibo bengamakhosikazi akhe? Hayi ngeke. Uma yena stick to uguliswa into zakhe. Okay, lento ukuthi they are trying to blame other people ukugula kwakhe. But uthi yena, it made him realize exactly what's going to happen when he's no longer here. He's 51 years old, Baba Msaseleko. He revealed that during his illness, God showed him what would happen when he's no longer here. Although he doesn't want to reveal exactly what the future holds, he said that the illness was not a bad thing, as it helped him to see what would happen exactly after his death. During my illness, God gave me an opportunity to see what will happen when I'm no more. That illness was not a bad thing at all. It was God, this way of showing me many deeper things. Above all, I thank God for helping me to survive, and for the prayers of the many people who prayed for me when I was ill. Musa often mentions his late grandmother Gokflo, you guys, when he's real. Even no Muzi to Musica Flow. Like when he's speaking about the Kala Zumbe, Uto Musica Gokflo, okay? You always speak about Gokflo, leaving many people wondering why he does so. He revealed the reason for the constant references to his gogo. I know many people say I should let her rest and stop mentioning her, but she was talking to me, telling me about the future, and now I can see what she was talking about. The reason I normally mention Gogo Flow is that she told me if I want to have a home, I need to be patient and put bread on the table. She told me I would not go looking for jobs, but I'll put bread on the table while staying at home. Now I'm staying at home and taking care of my family. Okay, Pelabane ready show and everything else, you guys. I forget good morning, but yeah, so yeah, I think that's what Gogo meant, according to him, you guys. He always mentions Gogo Flow. Gogo Flow. Have you seen him constantly going to where Gogo Flow is to report this and that? Amakhosikazi, hey manje nangoma yeni lana now. Everything to Gogo Flow, you guys. So that's how he respects his ancestors and everything. So yeah, man. So Tinikali Gogo Flow, you guys. He's doing a great job. Mangabe ulokho kwakuyisifiso sikagogo kwakho ukuthi uzoba indoda yesithembu, akhulisa umuzi, abe nomuzi omkhulu nezingane eziningi nabazukulu namakhosikazi amaningi, whatever the story is. Okay, kushuthi liyafezeka ke lelo phupho, you guys. So that's why ebe kuGogo Flow phambili, I think so. Yeah, that's what Baba Msamsele, you guys, he did on that particular video. I think I'm gonna put it in the beginning, of course, explaining it. Angazi noma ngashona bazobe bekhona yini abanye. That's when he told us to take the content and use it, because we always say a lot about his tembo sakhe. So uthi shonini konke nifuna ukukusho angizukusuwa umuntu, just say whatever you want, you know what I mean. That's Baba Msamsele, you guys. But in Mina, I like him. I like them Mseleku family. I like the way they give us content, of course, you guys. Njengoba bethe asikhulume lokho esikubonayo. Okay, sisho lokho esifuna ukukusho, si review ishow. Akazi ukusuba bafethu, so we can just use the content however. Ngoba uyazi but abantu kumele badle, kumele sibeke ukudla etafuleni. That's what he said. Wathi ningalambi sikhona singabakamseleko. And that's exactly what we're doing. Asikwazi ukulamba bekhona bakamsele ku you guys. Sibuka show so that we woohoo. That's what he actually said. But thank you so much you guys for watching this particular video. Like it, subscribe, share. We'd rather meet on my next one. Bye.